Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I love you already because I'm such a sweet person, I just love everyone. Moving on, I really wanted to make this video since a very long time. So here are some random facts about me. Are you ready? Let's go! Just by the way, my real name is not She Troublemaker. It's Meghna, and I don't know if a lot of you know that, so yeah. I'm 5'4", which is not too short for a girl. When people meet me in person, they're like, oh, you're short. I'm like, sorry. My birthday is 17th of Jan. I'm a Capricorn called January. I have 7 tattoos. I wear extra small or extra small because I'm so tiny. My shoe size is UK 4, which is 37, which is very small, again, because tiny. I'm very bad at following directions to get to my destination. That brings me to my next fact. I move my hand a lot when I'm talking. I have 3 different email accounts and I use them all. I am left-handed, I write with my left hand. I actually do everything with my left hand. Except playing badminton. I just said I do everything with my left hand. That sounds so wrong. That brings me to my next fact. I love playing badminton. My favorite show is 2.5 Men. I watch it every time I'm eating. I don't know why. I have a lot of friends, but I don't really talk to them a lot. But I have 5 really close friends that I usually hang out with. My hair is naturally straight. I absolutely hate seafood. I can't stand seafood. Food reminds me. This may come to you as a shock. I have never had vada pav in my entire life. A lot of you think that I'm from Delhi or Bangalore, but I am from Mumbai and I'm born and brought up in Mumbai. I love ketchup. I eat ketchup with everything. Even with dosa and aloo paratha. My friends think that's disgusting, but sorry, I love it. My favorite fruit is watermelon. I love watermelon juice. It makes me very happy. I eat banana chips with everything, even with dal chawal. I love thumbs up. That reminds me, I just said 5 facts about food. I love walking. I walk a lot. I don't go to the gym. My metabolism is really great. I can eat whatever I want without worrying about getting fat. It's the one and only Digo Double G. I feel like I'm talking about food a lot. My dad is my favorite. I can do anything for him. My biggest fear is, even the thought of that makes me very sad, is losing my parents. I don't know what I do without them. I have 2 sisters. The elder one stays in Bangalore and the younger one stays with me, unfortunately. And we fight almost every day, but I love her. I was never a bright student. I never really liked studying. I always called Dips to sit in the front seat because I want to play my music. I need 8 to 10 hours of sleep every day or I'll be cranky the whole day. I'm scared of gutters. I feel like I'll fall inside and die. I find Justin Bieber very cute. He's my favorite. I promised myself that the very first concert I'll attend will be Justin Bieber's. And I did. Also, my celebrity crush is Ranbir Kapoor. I technically met him once and I asked him for a kiss. I was like, can I kiss you? Also, the happiest day in my life, I was freaking out when Justin Bieber followed me on Twitter. I was like, wow, this is the best thing ever. And he was not following a lot of people back then. I think this is a very common fact. I think everyone has this in common. When I like a song, I will play it on repeat till I get over it. My favorite song is Let It Go by James Bay. It's a very sad and depressing song, but I love it. I get a lot of bruises. It's funny how I keep bumping into things without even realizing it. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't have it right now, but I get a lot of bruises. I don't smoke. I never have. I never will. Also, I drink occasionally. I can never really finish my food, even if they're fries. And I love fries, but I cannot just finish the whole thing. I don't really have a favorite color. If you ask me what's my favorite color, I'll be like, I love black or white. I think yellow looks really pretty on me. Red makes me look fairer and prettier. I think I'll go with purple. You've seen me upload a lot of bikini pictures. but they're just for photos. Like I can't swim. Also, I can't drive. I think I'm useless. I can't do anything. I have never been to a funeral. I don't have a sweet tooth. Like I don't like sweet food a lot. I'm more of a spicy food person. I don't swear unless you count fuck you or fuck off. I love cheese caramel popcorn. Not just cheese, not just caramel, but both of them together. That reminds me, I said one more food fact. Sorry. I have never been admitted to a hospital. Of course, I was born in one, but never after that. Touch wood. I have a secret diary since last 7 years. Most of them has facts about a guy I like or liked. My phone is always on silent, so if I miss a call from you or I don't reply to your messages, it's always unintentional. I love spending alone time. Sometimes when I'm out, I cannot wait to go home and just watch something on my laptop or just eat my crunchy food. I cannot just wait to go home. I love Bollywood. I love Bollywood songs so much that if I don't feel like going out somewhere like partying or clubbing, and if there's a Bollywood night, I would definitely go. I hate neon colors. Whoever invented neon, I want to kill them. And for my last fact, I absolutely love every single one of you. So now I want you to write any 5 facts about yourself in the comments because I would love to read them. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. Bye. Like, can you just cut there? Okay, it's still recording. I'll continue. Cut!